Welcome to PaidToday, how to edit my business settings. If you want to add a logo or change any of the details or add some social media links, we can do that here. So first thing we want to do is we've logged in. We want to go ahead to the business tab on the left sidebar, open that up, and then go ahead and choose settings. This will take us into our business details / settings. And from here we can go ahead and make changes. Say we change our name, or we update our website, or we change address. We can go ahead and make changes to that. Set the default tax rate that we want to use, any of that. If we want to add our social media business links for maybe our business, Facebook, Instagram, things like that, we can go ahead and open up this button here and then go ahead and enter those in to the relative inputs here. So once we got that, make sure you set your time zone correctly. There's a number of things like your booking forms and stuff that depend on that, so make sure that you go ahead and get that right. If you don't know which time zone you're in, you can look it up on the internet.